Hello human bodies. Welcome back. Let's say at the beginning that this is not a Photoshop tutorial video. You can do the task shown in this video with your smartphone. Well, all know how difficult it is to change the background of an image when it has messy hair. But no need to worry. Today I have brought you a very simple technique. Here we will not use any kind of photo editing software like Photoshop. We will only use web browser to remove the background of the photo and put a new one. So let's begin. First, open a web browser in your computer or smartphone. Go to the search box and search for remove background. Now click on this link. Remove background.bg. You can upload image by clicking on this upload icon. Or you can drag and drop the image here. Now this website will remove the background of the image. As you can see, the background is gone. You can download this image by clicking on this download icon. You need to sign up for first time. Don't worry, it's free. I'm signing up with my Facebook account. Now complete the reCAPTCHA. Click on download button to download the image. Or click on edit to put a new background. Wait for a second. This website has many pre-made backgrounds. You can use any of them. Or you can upload a background of your choice by clicking the upload button. Now click on download button to download this image with the new background. I hope you understand. Please subscribe this channel for new videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.